Taco Money here. I'm going to do a quick video on the Wallace weighted sterling silver number 5090. It's a candle holder. First I'm going to use my snips to pull out the lip off the top. If it's not there, it's going to be the other way around, which in this case is the other way around. Couple of seconds to get most of it off, then I'll grab the lip part of it. A couple hammers there, should be able to pull it out. Kind of a little more difficulty, so I'm going to pull more of it out so I can have an easier access to pull the bottom plate off. And there it is. There's the bottom plate. Got the cement. What I'm going to do here is get a hammer and hammer the cement off. And that's it. Clean. Nothing else in there. Time to weigh it. Oops. I'll put my scale over here. Put it on 0. Get my phone, bring it over here, it's in 0, really good image. Oh, there it is. Put that on there, and the lip, and see if I'm getting a good read there, and there it is. 97.9 grams, and that's actually pretty good for this, 97 grams for this sterling Wallace 5090 candlestick after I took off the cement. Taco Money out. Hope that helps you find these, and it's worth it. 97 grams at